What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This boy Jay to the Jill. What we doing today, man? We should make a beat in FL Studio. So if you beginner, man, you just now starting out making beats. The way I do beats, you know, I do them like a beginner would do them. Yeah, because the intention of this video is to show you how simple it is to make a beat, and it don't require much. And I'm going to demonstrate that with drums, a melody, and a counter melody. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about when I say that. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So really, you got drums and 2 instruments. This is how we gonna do it. That's how we gonna do it. And FL Studio is a good application to start making that happen. Now, so what we're gonna do is find a good instrument. So I feel like you can always start with like a bell sound for a melody, because you know it's perfect for trap. You know what I'm saying? It's spooky and whatnot, and we're gonna do that out to 32 bars. It can be real spooky, but what we're gonna do first is just go to fill each 2 steps on the hi-hat and get that done, and do the snare, which is a clap. And I'm just using the stock drums just for the sake of this video. Hey. All right, so we got that done. Let's go and change that to 5 because we may need that later. So now we're gonna bring up this on the piano roll, and we're gonna come over here, hit that. I don't really know what key I'm gonna use. It really don't even matter. We're just gonna do this. So what I like to do, now I don't really, what we're going to do first is I'm going to go back to channel rack, and we are going to, I don't really like that sound. Let's find another sound. Let's find another one. Let's do modified. And we're just going to create a little simple melody. We're not going to do no chords. I don't even know what key I have this set at, but if you notice, my notes are only gonna snap in key. I mean, that it don't get no simpler than that. That's a nice, simple little melody. I really don't like that hi-hat that much, but we're gonna use it anyway. Then we're just gonna add some little, hey, and then we're gonna come down here to this snare. We're gonna use the keyboard for this. Nah, we're just gonna punch it in because I'm using Bluetooth headphones, so there's a massive delay. Now we're gonna come up here with the kick, and we're gonna use them same notes to put the kick. And we're gonna come over here and do kind of like that. Alright, so that's kind of decent. We're gonna turn it down a little bit. Let's add another sound. We're gonna use the same instrument, which is, no, let's use a piano. You can't go wrong with a piano. So we're gonna go back to the piano roll. ticking, 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 ticking. Ooh, I like that. You got a whole beat right there. I don't know if I like that sound. Let's try to switch that up. Taco Bear. I don't like that. I like that. Let's come up here to the browser. And let's use some more sounds. Hey, I was all the way to the point of no return. I was, and then if you just want to drop it out for the, you know, your hook, your chorus, your intro. Yeah. Bring it back in, take that out. There's so much stuff you can do, man. So let's go back over here. So as you can see, we made an okay beat. We're only using a few different notes. It's just a matter of how you arrange them. Now, can't nobody teach you how to be creative. You got to figure that out yourself. But what I can show you how to do is how to get started without getting frustrated because you don't know how to do nothing. So just keep watching this video over and over until you can really dial in what I'm doing. In fact, we got the notes right here. Why don't you just try to redo this beat on your own setup? And then, hey, you halfway there, because then you'll understand what I just did better. Y'all make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, Pocahontas, Pocahontas, I don't know what no Pocahontas is.